next song speaks of a beautiful coast area up the northern east side of the island. Specifically, the song speaks about Kualoa, Ka'ava, Punaluu, Aula. Kahana Bay. How many of you watched the movie Chief of War? There's a beautiful segment shot there at Kahana Bay. Two ali'i face up on the beach. In this song, there's mention of that place, Kahana, and in this song, it describes the wind, malualua ki'ivai, the wind that blows in through the ocean up the valley. There's names of the rain, names of the wind, and Hawaiian just gave names to all the pertinent things in all of Wahipana, so that each member of that village, Kupuna, when you name the rain or the wind, you go, they know where you're coming from, right? Song called Nani Wale Kualoa. Nani Wale Kualoa Ikala, Ike Ame mokuli wala lai kipai, mahalua ikanalia o Kualoa, mahalua ikanalia o Kualoa, ka'aara ikalihine hei ke kai, enanea e au ike o ne kahakai. Kolona he ke a he hurupale, oha oha I ka malua o ka'awa, oha oha I ka malua o ka'awa. Ai ala ka hana uru rehi, o ai ia na pali anu he au. Ani malua lua ki iwai, o hihika ike na o kahana, o hihika ike na o kahana. Nalu'u I ka holo lape o ka li, ona ona I ka pua o ka ina hanau. Ki hapai mua ulu mahi e ria, ano hano e ka laia o Punalu. Ano hano e ka laia o Punalu. Mele kuanane, hie wale ka paliko olau. Ame mokuli wala nai ke kai, mahalua ui ka nani a o Kualoa, mahalua ui ka nani a o Kualoa. Music for the east side of Oahu. Beautiful Wahipana. Oceans to the right, mountains to the left. Depends which way you're driving.